Welcome to Teachment, the world's leading education infrastructure company, empowering over 2 crore educators and students across the globe. Today, I'm excited to present the Teachment X2 Digital Board, a state-of-the-art solution built for educators. With a powerful combination of next-generation hardware and intelligent software, including EduAI, our in-house AI teaching assistant integrated with our all-in-one whiteboard. This board is engineered to elevate every classroom experience. This demo video is divided into 4 parts. First, we'll explore the hardware features, followed by our all-in-one whiteboard solution, then dive into EduAI, our AI built for teaching, and finally, we'll wrap up with why you should choose Teachment X over any other digital board available in the market. This device comes with next-generation hardware designed specifically for classroom use. At its heart is the powerful RK3576 octa-core processor, which delivers twice the performance of most digital boards in the market. Let us see the Geekbench scores for our board compared to the other boards. This means smooth use of apps and zero lag even during intense multitasking. We also have a dedicated NPU for AI tasks. It is designed to handle AI tasks faster, making the panel more responsive and intelligent. Powered by Android 14, which is Google ETLA certified, so you get the Play Store and access to all the favorite apps. Also, get enhanced security with Google Play Protect. Our digital board also comes with a 48-megapixel AI camera with dynamic tracking, which automatically follows and focuses on the active speaker or the person moving in the classroom. It comes with an inbuilt 8-array microphone that captures your voice clearly from all the directions, even while you're walking. Only our Pro models comes with a camera and mic. Teachment X features a true 4K ultra high definition display with a 60 Hz refresh rate, delivering sharp visuals, vibrant colors, and high-quality images, and a blue light filter to protect your eyes during prolonged use of digital board. This screen is protected with a 3.2 mm toughened glass, featuring 9H hardness, making it scratch-resistant and exceptionally durable. With the 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage, it's built to handle all classroom tasks smoothly. Teachment X also has front-facing 40-watt speakers that are loud and clear even in the largest classrooms with up to 60 students. With the NFC card, teachers can just tap to unlock the board, which ensures safety. Also, they can log in into the Teachment app using the NFC card and get access to their previous lectures instantly. Each digital board comes with 2 styluses, which are magnetic and dual-sided. One end writes, the other erases or selects. Just pull it from the board and the whiteboard opens instantly. With dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0, you can connect instantly to the internet and other devices. It also comes with HDMI, USB 3, USB-C, and LAN connectivity. This board comes with the split screen feature, where you can easily split the screen to show your apps and lesson materials side by side. You can wirelessly cast from Windows, Mac, or Android, even share multiple screens at once for collaborative sessions. Teachment X comes with a 3-year on-site warranty and 365 days of customer support. Built to last 50,000 hours of screen life, ready to experience the future of teaching? Book your demo with a product specialist by dialing this number or ping us on WhatsApp.